Hi guys, I just woke up. My mom is at work. So I'm just eating cereal by myself nung una. So what are you going to do today? My owner. I'm with mommy, my grandma. Sorry, I have a cough. I'm gonna finish my food because I have tutor pa. Guys, I'm almost done. I still have some food. Thank you, Mama. So, okay. Guys, look, I got an egg. What's this? Egg yolk? Oh my, it's an egg yolk. It's almost all. No. I just want this one, guys. So yummy. You want to eat with me, guys? Here. Are you hungry? Okay. Eat. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later. Don't forget to like and follow and share. Bye. Oh wait, guys. I say bye-bye because I have a tutor. Yeah. That's why I finished all my food. Bye. Subscribe.